Hey, what's up guys? This is the XVX black Japanese PBT keycaps. I'm just getting them from my keyboard here. I just kind of want a black version of these. I'm just going to unbox them real quick. I'll pop them on, kind of time lapse, and then quick sound test and kind of let you know what I think about them. Yeah, here's the box. Pretty slick. Let's see how I get this open. Oh, it's the wrong way. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, those are looking pretty cool. Kind of a glare there on my from my light, but yeah, you get a little keycap holder, cool little tray. It's not bad. Let's see the feel of them. Yeah, they feel pretty light, not too heavy. You got a little double tray here. Looking pretty good. Okay, so I just wrapped up. These are actually looking really sweet. They have a really sharp contrast between the white. It's kind of like a, I don't know, just a very sharp kind of high vis sort of white. Kind of hard to describe, like icy compared to this black. And this is like kind of a jet black look. So I really like how these look so far. I'll just put this away. I'm gonna put this out of here. I'll do a typing test right now for y'all. I really like the feel of them. They kind of have this dry touch to them. They sink a little bit low, like they kind of swoop down lower towards the keyboard, the profile of them. But I think it looks pretty good. This is a Daria DK61, nothing too fancy. As you can see, my setup's pretty black and white, kind of monotone. So let's plug it in. Let's kind of see some with color. There you go. There's kind of RGB. I don't like using RGB. Let's rotate through these. So this is the white setting. This is kind of what it looks like with a white background. I don't really like them too much. Yeah, I probably need to try gamming with them next. You know, I'm liking the feel of it. Thank you guys for watching this video so far. I really appreciate it. Subscribe if you can. But yeah, I got more keycaps to review as well. Thank you.